We got a new box. America's Crate. Well, check this out because I'm kind of excited to see this in here myself. Now, if you've been anywhere on social media, you've seen this America's Crate, the unboxings with a big old, you know, American flag and everything else. It's basically their quarterly crate that has everything into it. I think they call it their Washington Unlimited crate. It's like $3.99 every quarter. But I mean, I guess it's just loaded with everything. So this actually is their Freedom Premier crate for around $129, which is typical monthly subscription boxes. They also have, you know, their regular crate, which is like $39.99, I believe. And then they have a standard plus crate, which is like 2 more items more than their standard crate. And then you get into the premium crate. You know what, I saw it, I looked into it. You know what, it's Americana. I wanted to check it out. So, here it is. It showed up today. I gotta get into it. But I want to bring y'all along for the ride. So, we gotta check it out, you know. So let's get into this. Let's see what Americana is in here. Does it live up to the hype? Does it not? I don't know. But let's check it out. Here we go. Come on now. It's Americana. We should have like Star Spangled Banner or something going on right now. And if I cut tape, that'd be awesome. Ooh, I see the fuzzies. And this is what we got. Oh. I'm kind of liking that. That's pretty good. What do we got first up? The Open Beer Season Laser Cut Bottle Openers. That. Okay, you can open a bottle with a moose. And how you can open it that way? I guess you just grab a tab on there. Yeah, it's USA Made, so let's check it out. We didn't get it to leave it in the package. Now if I can get into it. That's pretty sturdy. There's pretty robust. And there's your flat side. That's where you're gonna put your bottle cap in. And alright, that's pretty cool. Nice little kind of party thing, or you know, got friends over. Hey, I got your beer, buddy. Get him on that one. But it's pretty stout. Definitely American made. Because we always over-engineer everything. Nice. Like that out the gate. Oh, hey, look, wait, we got a card. America's Crate, January 2019. Let me give you a little thank you. And a little list of the contents, so pause and check it out if you like. Ooh. I might pause and check it out. Kind of like, well, there's a wallet opener bottle. I don't know. Y'all can check it out if you want, but I'm gonna get into it. So I see some things I like. A tactical rope dispenser, preloaded 554 paracord. Sorry, I'm reading and talking at the same time, so it's all not gonna come out really good. Dude, I like this. That's just, yeah. This is pretty good. Pretty good. We're starting off good. This is turning out to be pretty decent so far. This bottle opener is kind of a novelty, but it's America. We love our novelties sometimes. Crap. Come back here. USA, baby. Tactical rope dispenser. TRD. Yeah. Not Toyota, but. Oh, gotcha. It comes out. Started preloaded. So I guess you can pull out the cordage you need, whatever you need, and then just kind of lock it back in there. And then I guess there's a little blade right in there we can see. So we wrap it in there. Oh crap. And there you go. There's your cordage. And it's reloadable? Oh, let me check that real quick. Single free rope delivery, can be reloaded. Built-in cutting blade, heavy duty belt clip. One-handed operation. 530 seconds, 4mm diameter, 73 pound tensile strength. Nice. That is nice. I like that. That's pretty cool because I got a lot of paracord just kind of hanging out in bunches and stuff. It'd be nice to actually have it in something. Little belt loop right there. There's your cutter again. Ooh, look at that baby. You could probably shave with that if you pulled it out. But it's nice, it actually holds your paracord, so you ain't got to do anything. Just pull it out, pull it up. Well, you gotta lock it back in first, just so you don't lose it. Drop it in there. And there you go. Definitely nice. Really liking this box right now. I really am. And plus I got paracord. Who can't get excited about paracord? And red, white, and blue. Come on, baby. Ooh, what's this? Hold on, we gotta check, see what this is. It's really leather. It's like a full embossed leather kind of thing going on. Savage Gentleman Bison leather coaster. Bison's pretty thick. So yeah, you got yourself an American coaster. That's pretty cool. Alright, I like it. It's got a flag on it. I don't know what the hell all this stuff. Oh, you got brass knuckles, we got some nunchucks. What the hell, we go kung fu on this thing or what? But it's all stitched, looks like a two pieces right there, you can kind of see. Yeah. Oh, yeah, pretty nice. Yeah, sure, we'll find a use for that. Somebody's gonna put one down there. Wait, what do we got? Another micro cord dispenser. That would rope 125 feet. Oh, this one's preloaded too. Is this the same kind of deal, just smaller? If it is, man, I'm really liking this. This is gonna be some handy stuff. And I don't care. I'm glad I got this thing now. So we'll keep that up this side. Yeah, oh, look at that. It's got the same thing. Pretty much, just a different way. How do you get it? Oh, I'm gonna start over there. It is. There we go. So got this. I guess we're pulling it up this way. If I can get it there. And we cut. Heck yeah! Got a nice little fine cordage there. Oh yeah. This is nice. The mini TRD. Oh, so that's part of that one. So we got the full size and we got the mini size. And this is always nice in any kind of situation. I mean, you can just do whatever, right? Yeah. And how much feet is on this one? 125 feet. That is cool. Alright. I'm already happy for the box now. Just out of these two things. Because those are going to get some use. Big time. Big old time. What else we got here? Alright, we got the block sharpener. I'm a little sketchy about when they got them long serrations on those things. But the American made knife sharpener. It's kind of more of a honer, but alright. Need a knife to open a knife sharpener. What's more American than that? I mean, come on. You make this stuff so tough, you need a bazooka to get out a tank. Seriously? What just happened? No, I'm serious. This just happened. I couldn't pull it open because I didn't see the little tab there, so I cut it and it pulled right there. Alright. I'm an idiot sometimes, but it is what it is. But yeah, these are pretty rough and good, but yeah, I guess in a pinch, yeah, it'd work. And you got your finger grips, real nice rubber. Oh, look at it, you got thumb pad right there. You can either, I wouldn't draw it past because they say that's not good. They're not going to do it with the Kershaw, but if you draw it this way, they say not to do that because you can cut yourself. So you're actually supposed to put the blade down on something and do that. But no, it's nice feel. Got a little finger locks up in here, a little thumb lock. So you got a good grip on that thing. Good purchase. A little textured. Alright. I don't know, we'll give it a shot out, see what it is. Oh, and by the way, just in case you're all wondering, the package, you can just open it like this and put it in there. There's really no need to cut all that up, but you know, if you're an idiot like myself, then, you know, feel free to cut that so you got yourself a little pull tab. That was my full intention the whole time on it. It really was. I was just going with that. But that's cool. Nice. I'm liking this. I'm really liking this. Oh, Jesus, Pinga. What the heck we got going on here? Heck yeah, we got a bag. Alright, yeah, this is, yeah. It's like quilted. I don't know if y'all can see that, but it's kind of like quilted. American made heritage rough. Alright, yeah, we gotta check this out. What's in here? Nothing else? Alright, so that's it. I'll take this for the final surprise. Let me get all the garbage out of the way. That's nice. Heritage Rook, Olive Drab, and Coyote. Well, guess what? We're getting into that too. I just want to make sure there's enough pull tabs so I don't make myself look like an idiot again for just cutting stuff. But it'll probably happen. Alright. You guys don't go anywhere. I won't use you. So here we go. Let's get this out of some plastic. Some trash out of the way. Yeah, it's kind of cool. It's like an old traditional backpack. I mean, you adjust your straps, such as you see. It's all quilted. Yeah, it's not like super fancy, super tactical. It's just old school. And this is what I really like too. Instead of having actual straps with buckles and everything else, you just got the quick detach. That's nice. Feels like a sleeping bag. Oh, check it out. It is like old school rucksack. I don't know if y'all can see in there, but there's zipper compartments. There's a couple down in here. Oh, I'm trying so hard to see. There's another little divider right there. Let me get my arm down there, but still keep the camera in focus. Ain't happening. But then you got a couple of zippered compartments there. That's a pretty good volume bag. Let me get my arm all the way down it. Oh, Jesus. That thing's got some length to it. I'm trying, I don't know if y'all can see that. It's pretty big. I mean, I'm 6'4", and it comes from my hand here to my shoulder up there. But that's nice. Looks like some waterproofing inside. I'm trying to get you guys a look, but God, it's rough. Yeah, it's pretty stout and pretty big. You got a couple zippers in here for some storage. Yes, I suck at cameras too. I can't even do this. This is crazy. But apparently it's the Defense Series. 400 nylon. And quilted. But it's, to me it's kind of like what I'm getting off it, like a luxury duffel bag that like you'd get in the army where you just stuff all your stuff in. You know, and you fold your top over and clip it, or you know, roll your top over and clip it. That's what it's like. But it's just really nice, old school. I mean, it's got a great feel to it. You got some attachment points on here. You can put extra stuff, and You know, fold your stuff over once you get it. Oops, if I can find the right strap. There's a lot of straps on the backside. You know, you find your strap, yeah, you got a little extra in there. It totally adjusts right up in here, nice and quick. No snaps, no buckles, no nada. You got a little pouch right there. A little one on the side. Right about there. And you got another one on this side too. Right about that. But yeah, that's, I mean, these are actually metal too and not plastic. That's some American made stuff. What's going on here? And these are all metal too. It's got that Dura bottom. It's just, look, it's padded. I mean, it's quilted and padded. Only an American would do that. Like, you know, if I need a rucksack, I'm padding this thing. So this is probably made by a guy that actually had to carry a military rucksack and said, you know what, this shit sucks. It's on my back. It hurts. It's chafing. I got a better idea. So that is nice. I like that. So this is your American crate. This is the Freedom Premium crate. I mean, you really can't go wrong. You got this badass bag. You got cordage on cordage with a cordage cutter and starter. And then you have your paracord cutter, starter. I mean, it's all reusable. And you get a couple little cool things to throw on your coffee table. You know, a bison cup holder, leather cup holder. Open your buddy's beer. I can go with that. That's pretty cool. And then you got a little nice, you know, sharpening thing. I mean, yeah. And it's all American made. I'm glad I got the box. I'm glad, you know, a lot of useful items in there, a lot of cool things. That's pretty cool. If I had to say anything bad about anything, the only thing I wouldn't like was this. But I'm pretty sure I can find a use about it. But this little guy was stacked up against some pretty badass equipment. So he's gonna get into the mix somewhere, somehow. I got an idea ready for that. But, so this is your American crate. Hope you all liked it. I did. You know, I appreciate y'all coming along, journeying with me and checking it out. So just remember, like, subscribe, and we'll try some more of this new stuff out. Appreciate y'all. Thank you very much.